Good morning, students. Today is our maths class. Let us quickly revise what we studied in the last class. Do you remember? Yes, we studied about before numbers and after numbers. Before numbers and after numbers. Right? What is before numbers? Backward counting from the given number or reverse counting from the given number is called before numbers. And before numbers always smaller than the previous number. Okay, let us see some examples. Okay, so let us find out before numbers here. Can you tell me which number will come before 16? Before 16, which number will come? Go backward. Very good. 15. Which number will come before 64? Before 64 is 63. Correct? Which number will come before 43? Good. 42. And which number will come before 69? Good. That is 68. Okay. Let us see after numbers. What is after numbers? Good. Forward counting from the given number. And after numbers always bigger than the previous number. Let us see some examples. Okay. 94, 56, 8 and 26. Can you tell me which number will come after 94? After 94 is 95. Good. Then after 56, good, 57. Which number will come after 8? After 8 is 9. Which number will come after 26? Very good, it is 27. Hope all of you revised before numbers and after numbers. Today, let us continue our class chapter 4, counting in tens. Chapter 4, counting in tens. Okay. In the board, children, circle pairs of numbers that add up to 10. So here there are numbers on the blackboard. While adding two numbers, our answer should be 10. Okay, for example, if you are taking 5 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you are taking 5 plus 5, you will get the answer 10. So circle this. Okay. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Correct? So next, which are the numbers you are going to take? Yes, we can take 3 plus 7. What answer you will get? 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7 plus 3 or 3 plus 7 is equal to, answer is 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Correct? Let us say Now we can take 8 plus 2 or 2 plus 8. After 8, 9, 10. So when you are going to take 8 plus 2, you will get the answer 10. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Then which are the numbers we can take? 7 plus 3 is over. Yes, here it is. 10 plus 0. 10 plus 0. 0 plus 0. Good. 0. 1 it's 1. So 0. So 10 plus 0 is equal to, answer is 10. Next, which are the numbers we can take? Yes, here 6 and 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Correct? Have you understood this? Very good. When we are going to take two numbers and our answer should be 10 means you can do like this. Look at the board, children. Fill in the missing numbers in the boxes. Look at here. We have to find out two numbers to get the answer 12. You can take any two numbers to get the answer 12. But while doing addition, here there is a sign. This is sign of addition. Students, you can take any two numbers, but while adding these two numbers, your answer should be 12. Let us look. First one. Okay. Your answer should be 12. 1 is in tens place, 2 is in ones place. 1 10 and 2 ones. So let us find out two combinations or two numbers. So first we have to see which side ones place, right? So your answer should be 2. Can you tell me which are the numbers you can take to get the answer 2? Very good. You can take 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Otherwise, you can take 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. That is your wish, children. You can take any two numbers, but answer should be correct. Next, go to the tens place. Which number is here in tens place? 1. So, which are the two numbers you are going to take to get 1? Very good. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So, here we got two numbers, that is 11 plus 1. 1 10 and 1 ones, and here 0 10 and 1 ones. So, you can write 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. Get the second one. We have to find out again two numbers, but answer should be 45. Here 4 is in tens place and 5 is in ones place. Now look at the ones place. Here it is 5. Your answer should be 5. Can you tell me which are the two numbers you are going to take to get the answer 5? Yes, we can take 4 plus 1, or we can take 3 plus 2, we can take 2 plus 3, or we can take 5 plus 0. Your answer is 5. That is your wish. You can take any two numbers. So I am going to your answer should be 4. Yes, you can take 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Otherwise, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So, we got the two numbers, that is 23 plus 22 is equal to 45. 23 plus 22 is equal to 45. Let us see third one. Your answer should be 86. 8 in tens place and 6 is in ones place. Look at the ones place. Your answer should be 6. Which are the two numbers we can take? Yes, you can take 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, or 5 plus 1, 6, or 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So now I am going to take here 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Look at the tens place, 8. Which are the two numbers you are going to take now? Yes, you can take 4 plus 4, 8, or 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, or 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So now I am going to take here 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. After 6, 7, 8. So here we got the number 64 plus 22 is equal to 86. 64 plus 22 is equal to 86. Let us see next one. Your answer should be 54. Let us find out two numbers here. 54. 5 is in tens place and 4 is in ones place. Look at the ones place first. Here it is 4. Can you tell me which are the two numbers you are going to take to get the answer 4? Yes, you can take 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, or 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, or 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Here I am going to take 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Correct? Look at the tens place. Here it is 5. Can you tell me which are the two numbers you can take to get the answer 5? Yes, we can take 3 plus 2, or 4 plus 1, or we can take 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. You can take any two numbers. So I will take 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we got the two numbers, that is 32 plus 22 is equal to 54. Write down 32 plus 22 is equal to 54. Let us see fifth one. Your answer should be 67. Which are the two numbers we can take? Yes. 6 is in tens place, 7 is in ones place. Can you tell me which are the two numbers we can take in ones place now? The number is 7. Yes, you can take 5 plus 2, or 6 plus 1, or you can take 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So now I am going to take here 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Look at the tens place. Here it is 6. Can you tell me which are the two numbers you can take? Yes, you can take 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So here I am going to take 5 plus 1 Here we got the number 54 plus 31 is equal to 67. Right here 54 plus 30 is equal to 67. Have you understood this? Now let us learn group of fives. Okay. 5 stones into one group. 5 is repeated how many times? One time. So 5 ones are 5. Okay. Next 5 stones into 2 groups. 5 stones into 2 groups. Here 5 is repeated how many times? 2 times. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So 5 stones into 2 groups is equal to 10. 5 twos are 10. 5 stones into 3 groups. Here 5 is repeated 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 5 15. So 5 into 3 groups. 5 threes are 15. Next 5 stones into 4 groups. Here 5 is repeated how many times? 4 times. 2, 3, 4 is equal to 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 5 20. So 5 is repeated 4 times is equal to 5 fours are 20. Okay, next 5 stones into 5 groups. Here 5 is repeated 5 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Here 5 is repeated 5 times. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 5 20. 20 plus 5 25. Okay. So 5 is repeated 5 times means 5 5s are 25. 5 into 6 groups. Here 5 is repeated 6 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times is equal to 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, 25 plus 5 30. So here 5 is repeated 6 times. So 5 6 are 30. Next 5 is repeated 7 times. So 5 plus 5 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. So 5 is repeated how many times? 7 times. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, 25 plus 5 30, 30 plus 5 35. So 5 is repeated 7 times, 5 sevens are 35. Next 5 is repeated 8 times. 5 is repeated how many times? 8 times. So 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, 25 plus 5 30, 30 plus 5 35, 35 plus 5 is equal to 40. So 5 into 8 groups is equal to 5 8s are 40. Next 5 is repeated how many times? 9 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times. So here 5 is repeated 9 times. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, 25 plus 5 30, 30 plus 5 35, 35 plus 5 40, 40 plus 5 45. So 5 into 9 groups is equal to 5 nines are 45. Next 5 into 10 groups, 5 plus 5 plus 5, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, 25 plus 5 30, 30 plus 5 35, 35 plus 5 40, 40 plus 5 45 and 45 plus 5 is equal to 50. So 5 into 10 groups means 5 times are 50. Have you understood? Shall we read multiplication table of 5? Okay. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Once again repeat after me. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Students, take out your maths classwork book. Students, take out your maths classwork book. Topic counting in tens. Write today's date. Fill in the boxes with the right numbers. Here there are clues. Using that clues, kindly complete these boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, which number? 11, 12, 13. Like that you have to complete. And here it is 100 students. Okay, not 99. It is 100. Next, represent the number in grouping and write the answer. Tables, grouping, answer. 3 fours. Here 3 is repeated how many times? 4 times. Look at here. Here how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3 group. And each group having how many cross marks? 1, 2, 3. Right? So 3 cross marks into 4 groups is equal to 3 fours are 12. Look at here. 2 fives are. So here 2 is repeated how many times? 5 times. First group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group. Here 2 is repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here there are 5 groups and each group having 2 cross marks. So 2 fives are 10. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. Like that you have to finish it. Okay. Next. Topic counting in tens. Write today's date. Fill in the missing numbers in the boxes. This I already taught you in today's class. Here we have to find out 2 numbers. While adding these 2 numbers, your answer should be 12. You can take any 2 numbers. So you can take 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. So you have to take any 2 numbers, but your answer should be 5, 15, 80, 20, 45, 50, 30. Okay. Next. Circle pairs of numbers that add up to 10. So here there are numbers. This also we have done in the class. Here there are many numbers. You have to take any 2 numbers, but your answer should be 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Then 8 plus 2, 10. Like that you have to complete this. Next page, write topic counting in tens and write today's date. Tables, 5 ones are 5. Write the table of 5 and write expanded form of 5. This also I taught in today's class. Kindly complete your maths classwork book and homework book. Students, in today's class we learn about group of fives and multiplication table of 5. Hope all of you understood. Thank you children. Have a nice day.